Quick bread or rolls in a skillet. Dr. John A. Allocca. October 7, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 1 cup water or milk. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the skillet. 2 cups organic unbleached white flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon xanthan gum if water is used instead of milk. Preheat a 12-inch covered skillet with a thick bottom at low to medium temperature. Add a little olive oil to the skillet if you want a crispier crust. In a bowl, add water, salt, and oil. Mix well with a wooden spoon or spatula. Add remaining ingredients. Mix well. Rolls. Place the dough onto a floured board. Sprinkle some flour on top. Round and flatten the dough. Cut into 8 pieces. With a little flour in your hands, form each piece into a ball, then flatten into a round shape approximately 3 inches in diameter. Place the pieces into the skillet, cover, and cook for approximately 5 minutes or until the bottom of each piece is slightly brown. Uncover the skillet and turn each piece over. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the bottom of each piece is slightly brown. Bread. Place the dough onto a floured board. Sprinkle some flour on top. Round and flatten the dough. Place the dough into the skillet, cover, and cook for approximately 5 minutes or until the bottom is slightly brown. Uncover the skillet and turn over the bread. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the bottom is slightly brown. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.